Article 27.
Riu mutaratara wa komba wero kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC urorete gathuru mundu-ini kaguo. Umuthi kamiti ya mwanya ya komba IEBC igitiriha mihango ya mweri mugima ya guthurima aria maranyotera kuingira thiini wa kamiti yo marita makamishina na muikariri giti. Thiini wa gikaro kia muthia andu atatu ni mekinyirie mbere ya kamiti yo na maigirirwo ratiri-ini.
What other skills and competencies do you intend to bring to the IEBC?
Skills of leadership, skills of mediation.
Kamiti no irathurimirie andu 11 aria maretha giturwa gia gutuika muikariri giti na andu angi 107 hari 111 aria maretha gutuika makamishina nio marathurimirwo amu ana ni mareyeheririe na itumi ciao kiumbe.
We were given 90 days by the Act of Parliament. The 90 days expires this Sunday, and so we sought to add some more days, and the Parliament graciously gave us 14 more days, which end on 11th of May. And so by 11th of May, we will have given the names to the President, and the President then will forward the names in accordance to the law.
Na riu kamiti no yugite ati gukinyiria tariki 11 mweri ukite marito ma andu 11 nio makaneanwo kuri President William Ruto niguo acagure andu 7 aria magukorwo kamiti-ini yo ya IEBC.
And once we have come up with the names and forwarded the names to the President, 9 names for members and 2 names for the position of chair, our responsibility ends there. The names that the President chooses, 1 for chair and 6 for members of the commission, as they are approved by Parliament, they shall become commissioners.
Hari gucagura andu aya 11 muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mwanya Dr. Nelson Makanda augite ati gugukorwo gugithingatwo maundu matiganite hamwe na mwari-ini kuiganania icigo itiganite cia bururi na ningi guthingata watho wa maiganania.
We have done interviews publicly. You and us have evaluated the candidates that have come before us, and using that evaluation, the panel will take due diligence in accordance with the Constitution, which requires that we bring people that are competent with regional representation, gender representation, and inclusion matters. So putting all those things together, the panel will come up with names.
Gatagata-ini ka mutaratara wa uthurimi uyu ni kwagire na ciuria nyingi ciige maritwa ma andu 6 aria macokire kuongererwo hari 105 aria mathuritwo guthurimwo giturwa-ini kia makamishina, na Dr. Makanda augite ati maritwa macio ni mamwe ma andu 1350 aria maikitie ihoya ria gutuika makamishina, na ati maritwa macio ni macabithirio kuringana na mutaratara uria ubatie.
6 names were not sneaked in. It is our role and responsibility as a selection panel to shortlist. It's not the role of media, it's not the role of anybody else. So the panel exercised its duty and its responsibility to shortlist 105 names. And upon considerations, we also included 6 names, and it was not a sneak in. We published the names.
Ona gutuika kamiti no yugite ati ni thingatite ikiro ciothe cia uigananu mihango-ini ya uthurimi idalire ria kwamura marito 11 ria ya gukorwo riri kigeri kinene kuri kamiti no nginyagia riria marito marineanwo kuri President bururi uguthio na mbere na gweterera kuona ni amaririgireria na kuigira kamiti-ini njeru ya IEBC.
Asanteni.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gutiriha.